excited to show you, which is this one. The new Adobe Express can enable you to do generative AI on the fly inside of Adobe Express. So let's click on this, and you can easily type in a prompt that you would want your document to be inserted on. Let's click on this example. Let's check on this a realistic shoe. And by just clicking that, you can easily modify this to any format that you want. For example, this one is a shoe that I've created. Uh, let's make this a hat. Let's change this as a hat. Let's change the content type. Right now, we're just using the content generative AI inside of Adobe Express. So as you would see, that's how easy it is for you to create something like that. And it will give you results. For example, this one, for results. And this one looks pretty amazing, actually. I can add more styles. For example, let's click on synthwave. Let's move on to another feature inside of Adobe Express, which is this one. I can now create text effects inside of Adobe Express. So, for example, I can add like generative text effects. If I click on that, this will enable me to type in, let's say, brown hat. So as you would see here, you can easily create something like this on the text effects. Yan. As you would see, you can easily create something like that. And you can also customize this to the sample effects that you can access. For example, if I click on that, I can easily make this like gold drip. I can easily do that. Okay? That's one of the great things inside of Adobe Express now.